For this video, we're going to show you how to use the attach feature. So if you're using attach, you're actually connecting or placing something on top of another thing. So for this card, there's a score line attached to the center of the rectangle. So that tells the Cricut to keep that score line in exactly that spot. So let's say for this card we wanted to put the word hello in there and have the Cricut write it with a pen. We're good with text, type in the word hello, and then when I went up here to choose a font, I made sure that it was a writing font and not a cutting font. So now I'm going to place that right where I want it, and if I have hello selected and I hold down the shift button and the cream colored rectangle, you'll see attach turns on. So now if I click attach, the word hello is stuck right in that. So now when I go to make it and I go to that screen, you can see it's going to cut that rectangle and write the word hello right there in the center of it.